Hi everyone, how's it going today? In today's lesson we're going to continue our look at the minor pentatonic scale shapes. This time we're up to pattern number 4 in A minor. Okay, so the scale shape for this one, starting on the E note here, which is the 4th note in the A minor pentatonic scale. So far we've had A, C, D, and now E for the 4th. So, here we go. We're going to play 12th fret to 15th on the 6th string. Repeat that on the 5th. Now I'm going to play 1st finger to 3rd finger from frets 12 to 14 on the 4th string and 3rd string. Now I'm going to play 2nd finger to pinky finger from the 13th to the 15th on the 2nd. Then 12 to 15 on the 1st. And now come back. Okay, so the root notes here is going to be on the 12th fret of the 5th and the 14th of the 3rd. So those are our root notes that we're looking at. Let's take a look now at these 6 licks. Okay, let's start with lick number 1 in pattern 4. Now this first lick is more of a chordal sort of lick really, based around a root 5 minor shape, but it does sit squarely in pattern 4, and I couldn't resist myself as it's in one of my favourite songs to mess with, which is a song where Eric Clapton in D minor, entitled Layla. So here is our lick, only now we're going to do it in A minor. Again. Okay, so let's take a look at this lick. I'm going to be playing the 14th fret on the 4th, 14th fret on the 3rd. I'm doing that with a flattened 3rd finger. Now I'm going to play 12th fret on the 2nd, 13th fret on the 2nd. Now I'm going to do a fast little hammer on and pull off from 12 to 13 and back to 12 on the 2nd. Now I'm going to land on the 14th fret of the 3rd string, which is our root note. So slowly. Again. So there is our first lick in pattern 4. Here's lick number 2 in pattern 4. Again. Okay, this is a great lick you can have a lot of fun with, as you can repeat it as many times as you like, and it's a great bluesy feel and a rhythmic feel using these double stops again. So we're sliding in to the 12th fret on the 1st and the 13th fret on the 2nd, but from a fret below. And we're going to keep that triplet feel of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so groups of 3s. I've tabbed out in the ebook this portion of the lick twice. So, but again, do feel free to play this as many times as strikes your fancy. So, twice. Now when you finish the repeating part, simply land on the 14th fret of the 3rd string, which is our A note. So, playing that first part a few times. Great little lick, slowly. So there's lick number 2, nice and simple but very effective. Let's look at lick number 3. Okay, here is lick number 3 for pattern 4. Again. Nice sort of simple descending blues lick here. We're going to be bending the 15th fret on the 1st string up, grabbing the 12th fret on the 1st. Now we're going to descend down the scale here, 15th fret 2nd, 13th fret 2nd, and then land on the root note again, 14th fret on the 3rd. So slowly. And again, you can put whatever sort of feel you want to this, make it slow, make it quick, make it rhythmic, make it sort of shuffly, whatever you want to use them for. Mix it up, whatever you want to do. So there's lick number 3. Let's take a look at lick number 4. Here's lick number 4 for pattern 4. Again. A little bit fiddly to do for me with big hands this far up the neck, but let's break it down. We're going to be doing a similar idea to what we did with pattern 2, and that's bending the 15th fret on the 2nd string up, holding the bend as you grab your pinky finger onto the 15th fret of the 1st to go back and forth between those 2 notes. And again, I've tabbed it out 2 times. So bend up, grab with the pinky, between the 2, release the bend, 13th fret on the 2nd, land on the 14th fret of the 3rd, now come back, 13th fret 2nd, bend the 15th fret on the 2nd up, and then land on the 13th fret of the 2nd. Okay, so let me just do that nice and slowly. Okay, so there's lick number 4. Let's take a look at lick number 5. Here's lick number 5 for pattern 4. Again. Great little sort of repeating lick, again with the first portion of this lick being repeated as many times as you like. So we are playing 15th fret on the 2nd, 13th fret 2nd, to 14th fret on the 3rd, and that's the repeating group. So play that repeating loop 2 times, which is the way I've tabbed it out, but again, play that as many times as you like when you're messing with it. Now once you play that twice, bend the 15th fret of the 2nd up, back to the 13th fret on the 2nd, and then finish on the 14th fret of the G string. Okay, so here it is. Again, slowly. So there's lick number 5. Let's take a look at the very last lick, lick number 6. Here's lick number 6 in pattern 4. Okay, again. Nice little bluesy lick again. We're going to be starting off sliding 12 to 14 on the 4th string. Grab the 12th fret on the 3rd. Now slide that 14th fret on the 4th back to 12th. 10th fret on the 4th. Put a bend, slight bend there if you want. Land on the 12th fret of the 5th. Slight pause. Now skip over onto the 3rd string to play 12, slide up to 14. So slowly. Again, slowly. And there's 6 licks for pattern 4. Take care, keep strong.